Actually, some of the students were having doubts in investment fluctuation reserve topic. I will use the term IFR for investment fluctuation reserve. Okay, MV market value and BV book value. Clear? There are three cases related to it. First one is when market value is equals to book value. Second one is when market value is less than the book value. And the third one is when market value is greater than book value. What will happen in the first case? First case, when market value is equals to book value, just you need to pass on the entry investment fluctuation reserve account debit to old partners capital account in their old ratio. Clear? Because investment fluctuation reserve is your accumulated profit or reserve part. And related to second point, that is market value less than book value, there are 3 points when fall in value is less than investment fluctuation reserve. Second point is fall in value is equal to investment fluctuation reserve. And third one is fall in value more than investment fluctuation reserve. First was when fall in value is less than investment fluctuation reserve. What you will do? Investment fluctuation reserve account debit to investment and remaining amount will be transferred to old partners capital account old ratio. Clear? Second point was when fall in value is equals to investment fluctuation reserve. What you will do? Investment fluctuation reserve account debit to investments. Nothing will remain there to distribute among the partners. And the third case was when fall in value is more than investment fluctuation reserve. Then you will do the journal entry investment fluctuation reserve account debit, revaluation account debit to investments, because there is a loss when change in the value of investment is there in market, and that revaluation loss will be written off from old partners capital account in their old ratio. The entry will be old partners capital account debit to revaluation account in their old ratio. And the third case was when market value is greater than book value. Firstly, you will do the journal entry investment fluctuation reserve account debit to old partners capital account. Clear? Investment value is increased now, so it will be a part of profit for you. The entry will be investments account debit to revaluation account, because there is a change in the value of investment and it's a part of profit for you as market value of investment is increased. Clear? And in the last you have to transfer that revaluation profit to old partners capital account. The entry will be revaluation account debit to old partners capital account in their old ratio. Clear now, bete?